Side hustle I wish I knew sooner, part 5. If you are looking for something simple, this is for you. You are going to get paid $1,000 in 3 hours, and it's super simple. So make sure you save this video for later and share it to your friends to show that you care for them, and also follow me because I share daily simple tips and easy side hustles to make money online daily. Let's go! The most interesting part of this side hustle is that you don't even need a laptop. All you need is just a smartphone. Yeah, you can do that with just a smartphone. You don't necessarily need a laptop, right? So you see how simple it is, right? But make sure you have a fast internet connection. So first one, you want to go to testbroker.com, and you can see they pay you for just simply typing words. So go to write content and then go to payment. You can see Testbroker will pay you $495 to type 9,000 words. As you can see, according to the National Center of Voice and Speech, the average conversation rate for English speakers is 150 words per minute. So 9,000 words should take you only an hour. But the good news is that you don't need to type out anything, and you don't have to speak anything. All you have to do is to go to ChatGPT and ask AI to write for you. Like, AI can actually write for you. Yeah, you don't have to write anything. You don't have to speak anything. You don't have to know what to write. You don't have to write or speak anything. All right? So AI will do the writing for you, and then boom, you are done.